Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make very unique way a chicken curry. You can see I marinated this chicken with some saffron, little bit chili powder and some jeera powder. I marinated this. Now the masalas what I am going to use. This is, you can see, ginger, garlic and some onions in it. So I will put this in the mixie jar. You can see I have taken 3 green chilies. It's gone red. This I'll put in. I have taken dhania patti. You can see the dhania patti leaves. This also I will put in and I will make this into a paste. Today the chicken curry will be in a very different way. I hope you all will like it. Friends, to make the chicken curry, the very unique chicken curry, I have put mustard oil. The mustard oil is turning hot. Today I am not going to use much masalas for the chicken curry. So the oil is turned hot. Now I will put some jeera. This is the jeera. I'll put it in. This is the cut up onions which I am going to put in. Friends, the onion is turned brown, you can see. Now I will add some salt. Now I will add the marinated chicken. I have chopped up 3 tomatoes. This I will put in. Friends, now I will cover this up and let this chicken and the tomatoes fry a little bit. And the chicken will leave water now. So this water has to dry. Come on, let us see the chicken. Friends, you can see the water coming out. Now the paste which I have made, this I am going to put in. Now this masala will fry along with the chicken. Friends, you can see the masala which I have put is turned brown. The ginger, garlic, dhania patti and green chilies which I have put, made into a paste and put. You can see it's turned brown. The masalas are cooked up and the raw smell also is gone from it. Now I will add some turmeric powder, little bit more. This is the turmeric powder. Some jeera powder. Today I am using very less masalas to make the chicken curry. I hope you all will like it. This is the garam masala. And this is the chicken masala. Now with this, I will brown the chicken. Friends, all this has gone brown along with the chicken, and the chicken is also half cooked, or it is almost cooked. Now I will put some water and make the gravy. Now I will let this water bubble. It's almost like green masala curry, green masala chicken curry, I can say, because mostly green chili is used, dhania patti is used, and ginger garlic and some little onions which are made into a paste, and little bit of the jeera powder. All this I've used, so you can call it as green masala curry also, green masala chicken curry. Cover it up and let the chicken cook and the gravy bubble. Friends, you can see the chicken recipe is ready. You can say it is green masala chicken curry, or it is less masala chicken curry, anything, without using chili powder. See, the color also has come nice. Thanks for watching my video.